So yes. So fall in love every day. Yeah, almost something or the other. The beautiful sunshine, the nature, the city, the roads, the music, the theater, the culture, the people, the food. The fashion and the interesting stuff and all that. So the question was that आपने love के बारे में share करा है that people have such great opinions about love, but their life is kind of complicated and stuff. Staying single is good. Yes, I come through experience and stuff, and when you go through your life and stuff, you have amazing experiences, confusing, you're sorting out, and helping people with their life as well. You go through your own relationships in school, college, your offices, and everything. You have relationships happening, you have crushes, you have love, you have people these days have affairs, extramarital affairs, and stuff, and all. It's common. And then you choose to be single and stuff, and experiences teach you a lesson and lessons as well. So that was actually just a realization, because it was an experience which somebody was going through in my neighborhood. The gentleman just went past and we were talking about it, and I was kind of remembering that something similar. So for children and youth and people who follow this, this was a real experience, and I'll share it so that you don't go through this again. And the uncanny thing is, something similar happened yesterday with me. So this was befriending someone from a city, and you try and help people you meet in various places at work and office and stuff. Try help them with their sorting out, guiding them in their careers, or mentoring them, or helping them find an apartment or a house and stuff. And as you do all of that, you end up kind of guiding them, mentoring them, because you got more experience and stuff. They're younger. You feel a sense of kind of care and concern and stuff. You're trying to kind of put them on track and stuff, because you've been through the journey yourself of living outside of a cosmopolitan city and stuff. So people come from all parts of the world, and small cities or whatever, and this person comes in and try to guide this guy and stuff. And I did not realize this, that I was being taken for a ride and stuff, because the guy was portraying a very nice picture. Yeah, of course, he was a good looking guy, and he was trying to be a model and stuff and getting some roles and all that. I don't want to take names here, because I find that this is a story on which a lot of movies have been made and stuff. But the point is that people who are aspiring to be models, or people who are aspiring to be in Bollywood, people go to Hollywood. Got to be careful about the people you befriend wherever you meet, and you must check on them online and stuff, and avoid forming impressions on social media, because it can be misleading. And this was not even a person I met online, so we can't even say that online is the only place where you meet weirdos and odd people, and life becomes a little messy, because people along with this guy or his group or whatever of so-called wanting to become models and get work in a city like Bombay were also stalking me and stuff. So this happens. And the point is this, that so you realize that you're not even in love, and you're trying to help a youngster or a set of youngsters and stuff. And it turns out to be that this has been your purpose in a way in life, because there's so many youngsters who come in your Buddhism group, or you meet in college, or you meet at the gym, who are going through something similar. So this one particular thing, or this particular friendship, taught me this lesson, that avoid trying to be a mentor to everybody and anybody. And if you really want to do this, it's better to help people find their purpose in a professional scenario, or off the scene and stuff. Because what happens is that you go out of the way to help girls and boys who've got relationship messes. Probably they've also had a separation or something. And I've mostly seen this. I'm not typecasting or judging anybody, but I've seen this more in the movie world and stuff, where people have separated and come back from other cities to a city like Delhi, or a place like Bombay, and they've got their own issues and stuff. And you try and help them, you try and put them on to therapy, or you try and put them on to your personal contacts of uh, because their parents and stuff, or their brothers, sisters, or whatever. You put them on to, let's say, expensive judiciary people and stuff. They turn around and they're thankless, and they start kind of uh, trying to tell you that you're the one who's got the issues and stuff. So some people don't want to acknowledge that they've got issues and problems and stuff. They don't want to address their own shortcomings. They don't want to address their so-called whatever personal or professional relationship challenges they've got and stuff, and they try and project it onto other people and stuff. So 2 3 experiences like this, and the uncanny part is somebody in the gym yesterday, which I went for a long time because I wanted to feel better, ended up asking me if I knew someone who was wanting to give an apartment on rent and stuff. And I was recalling this story, hence the song Purani Jeans or Guitar, because I'm into the world of music. I'm a drummer. I play the djembe drums, and I meet so many people who go through this. And recently, I've connected with a guy from Bombay who's back here, and I remember guiding him also to go to Bombay on jobs and stuff. And he's back here. We've reconnected on a good note. But all these lessons and all these experiences just kind of teach you this, that you got to kind of stay a little aloof and stuff and not get involved in anybody's personal and professional mess and stuff. Guiding people and mentoring people from a distance is good. You do not have to be involved in people's personal lives for sure and stuff. If it's in a professional environment, that's great. But if it's in a personal scenario, you can always ask them to, go to people who've got a lot of time to spend their energies on thankless people and stuff. So that's that. So Purani Jeans or Guitar and Mohalle Ki Chaat Mere Yaar. So the beautiful sunshine, the beautiful weather, the same streets where I walked so much, and these are the lanes where I've met all these people and stuff, and I still walk here, but there are so many new things which have happened to me. So I'm thankful to mighty God that my course in life has changed. And also it's true that when you change yourself, everything around you changes. So those were times when Corona was happening and stuff, and everybody was feeling sensitive and they wanted to help people and stuff. So a lot of people came forward to help those people, but now Corona is gone, and so have those people and stuff. So it doesn't mean that we stop praying or we stop working on ourselves and stuff. Like I say, miles to go before you sleep. Keep doing the good work. Keep inspiring people and stuff, and keep it simple. Kiss is what I say. Keep it simple. Keep it smartly simple is what I say. Normally, help people from a distance and stuff and all, because people just are kind of sometimes putting up, some they got their own shit happening, and they make it look like it's other people's fault, or you don't even know the other side story and stuff sometimes. So always a good idea to hear both sides of the story, especially in relationships and stuff. So take care and have fun and have a blast and enjoy. It's a Monday, and looking forward to being out there more. Few more days of rest and stuff. So hope to meet up everybody and anybody, and looking forward to catching up with friends and family. And yes, when it's about work and stuff, I have second thoughts here, because with the medication and stuff and all, it takes a little extra energy to go all the way to people's offices and meet up and stuff and all. Okay, I'm going to get in touch when I'm a lot more better and stuff. So keep in touch over email and stuff on jkapani@gmail.com, justinkapani.im@gmail.com, and justinkapanioffice@gmail.com. So experiences can only make you sharper and smarter, and it doesn't mean a few experiences makes the whole world a sad place and stuff like that. Always a good idea to kind of take those experiences with a pinch of salt, and as I say, flush it and move on. There's a whole new world waiting on the other side of not the same people everywhere and anywhere. Yeah, love and luck and take care. And highly recommended is that if you feel your life is overwhelming and there's too much happening in your life, pack your bags and go for a holiday, at least for 2 to 3 days on your own, alone. That's when you have all these remarkable realizations about how amazing your life is, and how amazing it could be just to be simply on your own and stuff without people anywhere. Yeah. So love and luck and take care and have fun. Have a blast. Bye bye. Cheers. Purani jeans or guitar. Try and join us on the drum circle. I'll keep you posted. We had one at. Oh yeah, I was supposed to share a video on that. I'll do that. Let me just kind of feel a little better in a few hours and stuff. Yeah. Love and luck. Bye bye.